what an interesting box we got here. It's I think probably between World War I, World War II era. EA, low, and two middles. And it's got E row basses, A row basses, and the chromatic, not the chromatic, but the minor, relative minor for the E row. So we'll play a scale here. Wompy bass, how about that? Almost sounds like a Steirischer Helicon accordion. What a unique piece, and this open key design. It's almost like having one of the Hohner 113s, but like having two of them. It's pretty fun.